Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We continue with another verse from Brahmar Geet, devotional verses written by Surdas, who was a 16th century Hindu devotional poet and singer, known for his lyrics written in praise of Krishna. His lyrics are written in Braj Bhasha, one of the two literary dialects of Hindi. Surdas was a part of the Bhakti movement spreading across the Indian subcontinent. This movement represented spiritual empowerment of the masses. The genesis of Brahmar Geet poems can be traced to Srimad Bhagavad Puran. According to the narration in the Puran, the inhabitants of Braj could not reconcile with the loss of Krishna to Mathura. The depth of their sorrow knew no bounds. Krishna sent Uddhav to Braj, where he explained the divinity of Krishna to his parents. He told Nand and Yashoda that Krishna was formless, unborn, without a beginning and an end, and omnipresent. He advised them to look for this Krishna rather than the child they had brought up. At this stage, the gopis of Braj, who had assembled to listen to Uddhava, Krishna's friend and messenger, took Uddhav aside and probed him to learn as much as they could about their beloved Krishna. They repeatedly chanted Krishna's name. Meanwhile, a black bee droned into this assembly. The gopis taunted Uddhav through the medium of the bee. These verses are therefore known as Brahmar Geet. Uddhav was conversant with Yoda and Brahmacharya and was not even distantly conversant with Amor, Prem. When the gopis, still disturbed with Krishna's departure, inquired of him about Krishna, Uddhav talked of the formless Brahma and the Yoga. This irritated the gopis no end. Today's verse is one of the few in Brahmar Geet which carries Uddhav's message regarding the Nirgun Brahma. सुन गोपी हरि को संदेश करी समाधि अंतर्गत चितवो प्रभु को यह उपदेश. Gopis listen to what Hari has sent as a message. Sit in a samadhi, look inwards, think of Nirgun Brahma. वही अभिगत अविनाशी पूर्ण घट घट रहे समाये. He is indestructible. He is complete. He is there in everybody's mind. तिहि निश्चय कै ध्याबहु ऐसे सुचित कमल मन लाए. So, with determination, you concentrate on Nirgun Brahma. The yogis believe in a lotus in their heart and mind. Concentrate on them. ये उपाय करी विरह तजोगी मिलई ब्रह्म तब आए. If you follow this advice and you give up your attachment to Krishna, Brahma, Nirgun Brahma will be attained by you. तत्व ज्ञान बिनु मुक्ति न होई, निगम सुनावत गाए. Without this tattva jnana, the knowledge of the absolute, you would not get salvation. सुनत संदेश दुसह माधव के, गोपी जन बिल खानी. The gopis had never expected this message. They started weeping. This was an intolerable message, indigestible by them. They loved Madhav, they loved Krishna. They did not want to be told to worship Nirgun Brahma. सूर बिरह की कौन चलावे, नैन धरत अति पानी. Who would talk of their pain, their suffering, which had caused them to weep? Weeping which did not stop easily. It flowed like the waters of Yamuna from their eyes. गोपियों, श्री कृष्ण ने जो मेरे द्वारा संदेश आपको भेजा है उसे सुनो. तुम सब समाधि में बैठकर अपने हृदय के भीतर देखो. वे पार ब्रह्म अज्ञात है, अननोन, अविनाशी है, उसका नाश नहीं हो सकता और प्रत्येक के अंतःकरण में व्याप्त है. घट घट रहे समाये, आपके अंदर ही है. उसके लिए आपको बाहर देखने के लिए जाना नहीं पड़ता. उस पार ब्रह्म को स्वस्थ चित्त से दृढ़ता पूर्वक योगियों के कमल में ध्यान लगाकर देखो. इस प्रकार के उपायों से जब तुम कृष्ण के वियोग को त्याग दोगी, तब ब्रह्म का साक्षात्कार होगा. जब तक तुम कृष्ण कृष्ण की रट लगाए रखोगी, आपको सच्चिदानंद नहीं मिल सकता. शास्त्र भी कहते हैं कि बिना तत्व ज्ञान के मुक्ति नहीं मिलती. श्री कृष्ण के ऐसे असह्य संदेश को सुनते ही गोपियां बिलख बिलख कर रोने लगी. उनको ये आशा नहीं थी कि श्री कृष्ण इस प्रकार का नीरस और दुखद संदेश भेजकर उनके मन को संतप्त करेंगे. सूरदास कहते हैं कि गोपियों के विरह दुख की चर्चा कौन करे. उनकी आंखों से आंसुओं के झरने बहने लगे थे. Brahmar Geet is a fabulous combination of viha, grief of separation, Gyan and Bhakti. It is a composition in the face of which Gyan takes a back seat. Here the entire logic of yoga accepts defeat. All that remains is absolute devotion, Bhakti and Bhakti alone. We stop here today. I'll come back to you with another verse from Brahmar Geet next time.